All right, I just flashed to 7. It's just my pants, they're not stretchy enough. Swing that jump. Oh boy, I almost didn't come. Self-sabotage. So close to just saying it. Being like, I just sucked it up. And I got my butt here. There shouldn't be any excuse. There's people with a lot worse situations than ourselves, so we just have to be grateful and realize the position that we're in and then suck it up and keep going. I did so much laundry today, so I'm just gonna do some kettlebell stuff and then we're gonna get right into the climb. Okay, so for this first one, keep your, and then drop down, stand, and you wanna go to one hand, swing that jump. The kettlebell is so fire because you can get multiple muscle groups work in one dynamic movement. A lot like climbing. I'm literally not counting, just going with how I feel in my arms. Second move we're gonna do. Nice. We're back for round 2. On this transition right here, as it's coming down, you want to catch the second one. You don't want to do any like jerky movement. Keep it steady when you're transitioning. Don't let your wrist flare like I just did either. Nice. If I hadn't made this series, I would be in bed right now. I would be sleeping 100%, not caring about the fact that I could be getting better, not caring about the fact that my legs look like chickens. I mean, come on. How can a guy like me, who's clearly skipped hundreds of leg days, be okay with missing the gym anymore? My legs are far too skinny. Those calf raises are feeling great though. Feeling the pump, loving it. Oh boy, only a few more things. I just want to get the blood flowing in every place. Next time you have the cables, instead of just doing the normal curls like I was just doing, switch that up. Give your wrist, the top side of it, a sensation that it rarely feels. Very overlooked. Those elbows in, amazing pumpy. I'm telling you, I try to get better lighting so you can kind of see. Look at that, dude. Do you guys see that? I didn't work out much, you know what I mean? I literally just warmed up. This is not fun, but it's fun, you know what I mean? Alright, my main goals for the climb today are for sure to send that 6 in the last climbing video that I did, and I want to get a v7 too, because yesterday in the farmer's market video I promised that I would. So it's another reason why I had to come today. It's like, dude, how are you gonna promise something and not deliver? Already kind of warm, so I'm going to the 4.
This bad bitch got some superpowers. Give me all you got. Tell me I'm the worst ever, even though I'm not. Maybe it could all get better if you tell me you want me to.
Yeah, I'm feeling great today. When you come to the gym and you just feel fresh. That's what it feels like today. Amazing. We're gonna go right up to a 5. No time to waste. White 5 looks kind of tough. But like I said, I'm feeling great today. Some days, you know, some days.
All the lengths we go, it won't ever be enough for me.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be a good 6 and 7 day for sure. This will be fun. All right, I found a 6. Usually shy away from this part of the hole. We're just rolling the punches. That was so sloppy. All right, I got another 6 over here. Close. Let yourself rest. If you don't rest, you're not going to be able to get the best out of your climbing. When you're new, it's so exciting to just keep wanting to keep going. But what you'll find is if you can learn to give yourself just 5 minutes, it'll make a world of difference when you go up again. It's so packed in here today. Holy shit. It's literally prime time. We live and we learn, don't we? Back to you, Mr. Green. What a funny move. Heel hook that jump. Find this guy. Oh. Whoopsies. Third time is definitely going to be the charm. I think therefore I am. Didn't move. Heel hook. Find that jaunt. Catch this jaunt. Stand on this jaunt. Foot on that jaunt. Boom on that jaunt. Oh, that's how we do it, baby. I knew we'd get it. This next one is a v7. Exactly what we've been looking for. Our match. Nice. Oh, it's not as good as I thought. But hey, it'll have to do, right? Switch feet. Oh, nice right hand. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, I just flashed a 7. Gotta change my goals. Maybe I should just do this orange 7. Should I? See if we can get another flash in this jaunt. This might be a knee bar. It is. We have a special problem today, people. We might have different feelings. That 7 isn't going down today, but the other one did, and that's okay. I really want to go get that black 6 that I promised you guys 2 videos ago, but I swear it's so packed right now. There's literally a hell of people over there. So I think I'm just gonna hit a few more over here, get some reps in, and then get out of here. This is a pretty fun V5. There's essentially one move. You gotta start by reaching up to that guy, catching it, getting your balance a little bit, bring your right foot up here, and then essentially you just have to trust yourself. Match your feet, top out. This looking so sketchy. Next one, maybe this black V5. Nice. Round 2, this 6, slab version. okay? I don't want to talk about that start. My nose is my laundry's not folded. Video isn't edited. My cat isn't fed. Just kidding. My cat's got an auto feeder. Alright, I'm gonna give this one more shot and then I'm dipping out. To be honest, it's literally just a reading problem. Like I just feel like this is my first day climbing, literally, doing this one. Alright guys, due to the nature of how today went, how late I got started, I feel satisfied. I know I could have done a little bit better, but being mindful of the fact that I didn't have much time or much motivation, I'm really happy with what I got out of today. I think that's the main thing with this series, is just like ignoring myself when I want to just stop, or when I want to say, no, I can take another break. Because at the end of the day, me taking breaks in the easy route is what's got me where I am right now. And while I'm really thankful to be where I'm at, I know I can be better. So with that being said, I'm glad that I came today. Hope that you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, leave a like, subscribe as well. Helps out the channel. And I will see you tomorrow.